Hi everyone. I tried to do this last year, but all you could do is hear the birds and you couldn't see them. So now this year, they're all in these trees over here. It actually looks like the trees have black leaves on them. These guys have been hanging around the valley for, the last couple weeks. Getting ready to, fly south. And they're in this tree. That was the tree I did last year, but it had a lot of leaves on it yet. And yesterday they were in that tree over there. You know winter's coming when you see that, as well as the corn is down and the leaves are down, and winter's coming to Minnesota. Here they go. Not much spooks them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.